Welcome to Auto Plus, my channel. Today I'm taking you inside one of the most unbelievable machines BMW has ever created, the 2026 BMW Motorhome. Forget everything you think you know about motorhomes, because this isn't just a vehicle. It's a futuristic mansion on wheels designed to blow your mind. The moment you see it roll up, you realize BMW has taken their signature sleek design and stretched it into a mobile palace. The front end screams power with those iconic laser headlights, a bold kidney grille redesigned for the future, and aerodynamic curves that make it look more like a spaceship than a motorhome. Step inside and it only gets crazier. The living room greets you with panoramic smart glass, windows that shift from crystal clear to privacy mode at the touch of a button. Ambient lighting glows in BMW's signature blue and white tones, making you feel like you've entered a luxury lounge instead of a vehicle. The sofa, fully adjustable with built-in massage and climate controls. Yes, it's that futuristic. The kitchen is pure German engineering mastery. Sleek induction cooktops that disappear into the counter, smart storage compartments that slide open with motion sensors, and even a voice-controlled coffee system that remembers your perfect brew. It's like having a 5-star cafe inside your motorhome. Now the bedroom. This is where BMW shows off what future luxury really means. A floating king-size bed with memory foam that adjusts to your sleeping style. A retractable OLED ceiling screen for stargazing or streaming, and noise-canceling walls so you sleep like royalty no matter where you park. And don't even get me started on the bathroom. Heated marble floors, rainfall shower with chromatic lighting, and a smart mirror that doubles as your personal health monitor. It's like bringing a luxury spa everywhere you go. On the road, the 2026 BMW Motorhome is pure power and control. Equipped with a hybrid electric drivetrain producing mind-blowing torque, adaptive self-driving technology, and AI that maps your entire journey for comfort and efficiency. It doesn't just drive, it thinks ahead for you. This isn't just a motorhome. It's BMW's bold statement that the future of travel is here, and it's smarter, sleeker, and more luxurious than we ever dreamed. So what do you think? Is this the most futuristic motorhome you've ever seen, or has BMW gone too far? Drop your thoughts in the comments. Smash that like button if you loved this tour, and don't forget to subscribe, because we've got more insane reviews coming your way.